Hi guys! Again guys, breakfast time! Meron akong toast, eggs, avocado, and I'm gonna put butter on my toast. Then coffee. Ito yung bago kong favorite na creamer, vanilla latte from Starbucks. Yan, naglagay na ako ng konti. Pero magdadagdag pa siguro ako ng very konti pa. Alam niyo ako, mahilig ako sa mas maraming cream sa kape. So, yan ang ating breakfast, guys. Iinit ko lang to kasi malamig na yung ating kape. And then maglalagay lang ako ng butter dito. 8:25 na ng umaga. Ang mga kids ay tulog pa. Then lagyan. Tinost ko na to. Lalagyan ko lang siya ng konting butter. So, ayan. Kain tayo, guys. Hi, guys. Huh? Welcome back! Hapon na, ulit tayo nakapag-vlog. Nagluluto ako ng dinner namin. Hindi ko na naituloy mag-vlog kanina, guys. Sobrang busy ko. Kasi naglalaba ako, ginupitan ko yung aso, ginupitan ko si Daniel. Busy day. Nagluluto ako, guys, ng gagawa ako ng burrito. Beef burrito. Tapos yung mga kids, adobo. Ayan, adobo and rice and broccoli. 4:23 na ng hapon. Tingnan yung mga itsura natin. Paboda na tayo. Ayan. Palambutin lang natin yung onions. Zoe. Zoe wants to come in. Ginapitan ko yung aso kanina. Ayan o. Para siyang lumiit. Pumayat. So, what's up guys? Nothing much. Hindi kami lumabas. Si daddy yung pinag-grocery ko kanina. So, yung pinapunta ko ng grocery. And then, simpleng lang to guys, dinner namin. Itong na to, adobo, yan yung dinner namin kagabi. Ayan, ininit ko lang siya. Bukas, may work na naman tayo guys. Sobrang busy ng natin, araw natin. Day off ko, pero ang dami kong ginagawa. But it's okay. Mas maganda yung madaming ginagawa kasi walang ginagawa. I-edit ko siguro mamaya yung vlog guys kasi may vlog pa akong isang natira. Parang Pasko pa yun eh. Or before Pasko. Vlog natin. Ngayon hindi ko pa siya na-edit. Para meron tayong vlog. Minsan sunod-sunod yung vlog natin. Minsan wala tayong vlog. So, ayan ito. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung ginagawa ko ha. Ayan yung ating ground beef. Tapos naglagay ako ng mga seasoning dyan. Pinapalambot ko lang yung yung onion. And then maglalagay ako dito ng beans. And yung rotel na tomato. First time ko itong gagawin actually. Burrito. Ayun sa mga kids ko. Yung adobo nila, luto na. Patayin ko na to. Yung rice nila. Then, broccoli. Patayin na natin yung broccoli. Ayan. Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Ayan. Today is December 12, 7:50 in the morning. Kagigising lang namin. So, and malamig sa labas guys today. 29 degrees ngayon. So, kamusta ang buhay-buhay mga kapatid? Long time no see. Nagawa na ako ng coffee ni Mr. And then gagawa tayo ng pancake. Kahapon sana guys, gagawa ako ng
My
pancake.
axe is broke.
Nagising kami ng mga around 8 o'clock kahapon. Tapos may natanggap akong text. Ano, kailangan nila ng tulong sa sa store. So, pumasok ako kahapon. Kaya napornada yung pagpapancake namin ni Mr. Dapat nagpapancake kami kahapon. So, kaya today, pancake is life.
We only need a couple so we can at least get a
Anyway,
harvest going and then we can
Wala naman masyadong kaganapan guys.
put some stone.
Walang masyadong bagong
We need the copper. We're gonna find plenty of copper on the ground.
bagong balita.
All the stone at. Oh, Azalea!
Asan na ba yun?
Guys, this is amazing. We are above a
Kuha ko ng gatas.
exactly where we want to live. And some brown mushroom over there.
Busy lang, busy ang life, busy ang work. Yung mga bata, bumalik na sa school.
Let's go.
Basta ang bakasyon nila. Ha? Nanonood si Daniel kasi guys ng Minecraft, kaya may narinig kayo sa background. Kasi nanonood siya.
Ooga booga. Let's go ahead and make a stone pickaxe.
Tulog pa si Ate Olivia.
Iron. Oh,
Ayusin
yeah,
natin
we
yung
got
yan.
two bits. So we only need one.
Tulog pa siya.
So we can make a shield. Let's make a shield right now. That's going to be glorious. All right, we're going to have to make a furnace. And we'll look up a bunch of stone tools. And the
Finally, na-upload ko na yung yung last na vlog ko. Ano pa yun, Pasko pa. May isang araw ko lang siya na-upload.
No doubt about it.
But,
Without a doubt it.
yung ating bisita talaga yung ating bisita guys,
Pick up that old pickaxe
paparating na sa next week.
and make an axe.
Makikita niyo siya pag
And a sword.
Daniel, I'm gonna cook you now, ha? Cook your pancake?
An iron sword, that would be ideal.
Yes?
Well, there we go, my friends. We can now make a shield.
Ay, you can hear me?
And we're gonna need some more wood, I think.
Yes, okay.
Oh, get in there. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Lutuan ko na
Check
rin
it
si
out.
Daniel again na pancake.
All right. Now, let's pick this stuff up and look at it. Great, guys. Great.
And today, ano bang gagawin namin? Pupunta yata kami sa
Surface cold.
sa
fantastic.
Village of Meridian, yung mall dito, outdoor mall. Kasi nag-text yung katrabaho ko kagabi. Doon sa Lego store, meron daw silang activities, yung mga bata. Yung magbibuild sila ng something, and then free. So, chinek ni Mr. kanina, from 12 to 2. So, baka dalhin namin yung mga kids doon. Para meron silang gawin.
That far down. The hole
So,
here.
ayan yung butter natin.
Well, how much coal can we get?
And then,
Give us at least a decent start. We're gonna need more.
lagay ko na to.
Why don't we just make a couple of torches right down to make it very, very dark.
Butter
And now
and...
let's go get,
Lagay ko muna ito dito. Magluluto rin ako ng egg.
then we can whip up some stew.
Lutuan ko muna sila ng pancake and din sa atin. Si Lydia, ang request niya guys is pancake din. Ito try daw niya yung maple syrup, walang chocolate. Plain lang na pancake.
Man, oh man.
Sabi ko, wow, sige.
Amazing. We still have some big
Yan ang kahilingan
Let's
mo.
go over here and snatch up some puppies and some daisies so we can have some color
Yan
down
ang
there.
gusto mo.
Yeah, make some
Gawin natin.
Very good. What else do we need over here? We need some of the soil. Now, I don't have a shovel, so we're just gonna have to dig it up with our shooter cane.
Alam niyo, grabe yung sunog dito sa sa LA. Yung, ewan ko kung napanood niyo yung mga sunog dito sa sa Amerika.
But it'll do the trick. Oh, berries.
LA.
Good. We need those raw too. Just watch out.
Grabe.
Not to get poked. All right. I think. This one. Oh, wow, they go fast. I wish you could.
Grabe mga homeless.
Shears.
Homeless na.
So we're gonna have
Nasunugan ng bahay.
We're gonna have to leave those bushes.
Hirap, no?
All right, now.
Masunugan ka,
let's go back to where that
ano ka, ang tawag doon? Hindi ko alam kung
turn around.
anong mas maganda, masunugan or
This direction.
yung sa flooding naman. Diba? Parang wala kang gusto, pero kung ikaw ang pagpipiliin, parang ang hirap.
We can do that right here, right
Yan,
now.
dami mga nawalan ng bahay.
Easy. Plenty of
Kawawa.
for.
So anyway, magluluto lang ako ng itlog.
We gotta go. We're gonna find a hole to jump in.
And then mamaya, i-update ko na lang kayo guys.
See any good holes out there?
Paano na, mamaya ituloy ko na lang yung vlog natin. Kung maituloy ko yung pag-vlog mamaya.
Deep hole. And just go all the way
Ituloy ko
down.
muna ito dito.
I don't see it anywhere.
Maglalabas sana ako ng bed sheets.
Decent hole.
Pero ano na lang,
Right here.
siguro mga ano,
Skeletons already. Jeez.
sa susunod na araw. Okay pa naman yung bed sheets namin. Hindi pa naman ano, nangangamoy. Kasi maglilinis din ako ng CR bago dumating yung ating bisita. And then, yung ayusin ko yung kwarto dun sa ano, sa guest room. So, yan yung mga gagawin natin. Next week na lang para ano, fresh. Malinis pa naman yung ano natin guys, banyo natin eh. Tsaka yung mga bedsheets natin. So, ayan ang ating morning.
Right? We were in the cave. I feel like this is justified because in the old
Turn
days,
off a
it was
little
like you go
bit.
straight to the very bottom.
Okay, well, I'll see you guys again soon. Hello guys! Welcome back to another vlog! Continuation na to ng vlog natin kaninang umaga. Hapon na tayo nakapag-tuloy ng ating vlog, guys. Magpo 4 o'clock na hapon. And nakaligo na si Ate Olivia and si Daniel ay naliligo ngayon. Maaga namin silang pinaliguan. Kasi, para makapag-relax tayo ng maaga. So, nagpe-prepare na ako ng mga dinner namin. So, yung mga kids, gusto lang nila is spaghetti. Yung Penne na pasta. So, ayan, niluluto ko na siya. And then, lang ako ng, sauce nila. Tayin ko na to. Ayan, may sauce na sila dito. Ayan. Pasta sauce. Then, meron din akong broccoli na niluto sa kanila. Tapos kami naman ni Mr. guys, magluluto ako ng Korean. Korean tayo guys. Bibimbap. I don't know if you guys familiar with that one. Is it good? Sweet, huh?
I got the big blueberries.
Yes, very sweet. You can have it later again.
They were so big.
I know, they're sweet.
I wanna help make.
Huh?
I wanna help make.
Make what? Be careful, that one is hot. And then, nag-preheat ako ng oven kasi nag-bake ako ng cookies. Kanina, for dessert. We're gonna have some cookies for dessert. Yeah? So,
I wanna help.
what do you want?
I wanna help make.
Mommy's dinner?
Yes.
Okay. I'm gonna cook the egg first. But, I don't know if you can... It's hot.
I can't reach that.
Yeah, I can't reach that. Gusto daw niya magluto. She wants me to help. She wants to help Mommy. So, ito yung rice natin.
Wait, this cabinet doesn't work because it's a cabinet, but there's nothing on the other side. So if you try-
Yeah, you can't pull that one. That's just a design. So, today we went to Lego store kasi meron silang activities doon. Free. I'll just show it to the guy. So here. Free. What is this?
A car.
A car Mario?
No. So I can get.
So one each, guys. Daniel and Olivia. So those are 2. Here. Showing Olivia here. Tag-isa sila.
Mine.
Free is cute though, huh? Last time my friend told me that they have a Harry Potter. But yeah, so nakalibre sila ng Lego. So anyways, lutuin ko lang tong aking egg. Ilalagay ko to sa aking guys, egg sa bowl. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yung ating beef bibimbap. Minarinate ko na yung ating shave na... Ooh. Be careful na.
Where's the muffins?
Okay, yeah.
Why doesn't that one
Excuse
have
me.
yellow?
What?
Why is that one yellow? That
Stay
one,
always.
I know.
Because my camera, uh-oh, got confused again.
Hello.
So, let me fix this camera. There we go. Okay. Just stay there because it's too hot here. I don't want you to burn yourself.
Food? When is it gonna be ready?
It's gonna be ready soon. I'm just cooking the
Sauce. Where's the sauce?
pasta.
That's the broccoli.
That's the broccoli and this is the rice.
Where's the sauce? The sauce for pasta.
It's over here.
Oh, it's done?
Yeah.
The broccoli and sauce are done, but this is not done now.
That one is.
What is in that?
That's the rice for mommy and daddy's beef bibimbap. Daniel is still taking a bath, guys. I'll call you when it's ready, baby. Niluluto ko lang itong ating rice. Oh, what's that? Turn off the flashlight. Linggo ngayon, guys. Bukas may pasok na naman yung mga bata. And may pasok din ako sa work. Yan si daddy. Kaya, gusto kong maaga kaming makakain ng dinner. And then, makapagligpit. Para makapag-relax-relax naman tayo, guys. Try this one.
Wait, can you come on?
Be careful, it's hot.
Wait, when it's cooled down.
Gusto mo ka na, si Olivia? You hungry? Ito mga batang to. Maaga pa eh. Parang hindi sila kumakain ng mga snacks.
I think it's almost
It's
done.
almost done. Kakakain lang niya ng blueberry. Pagtapos ng
It's still a little bit hard, but
Yeah, maybe a couple minutes, guys. Okay? Yeah, couple minutes. Yeah, yun lang yung ginawa namin kanina. And then ako, punta lang ako ng grocery ng umaga. And then, mabilis lang kami dun sa sa Lego store. Kasi, yun lang naman yung ginawa nila. Gusto nilang gawin. Do you think Daniel's gonna be done soon? So I can start our food? Daddy. Can you check them?
oh, okay.
So I can start cooking, Daddy. Para i-start ko na yung ating pagkain. Pagkain namin ni Daddy. Gusto ko kasi may egg. Yung aking bowl. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. I'm not sure kung ko na sa inyo. But this is really good, guys. This is really, really good. Wala mo ng diet. Bukas na lang. Bukas na lang tayo diet.
They're almost done.
Okay. Anong dinner nyo, guys? Anong mga activities nyo pag Sunday? Diyan sa Pilipinas, pag Sunday, natatandaan ko yun pag Sunday, it's like, palengke day. You know, masarap ang ulam pag Sunday. Parang, yan yung palengke day. Sunday. Sa atin. May mga bata kami.
Is that food?
Huh? That's my, food. Yeah, parang, family day pagka Sunday.
Oh, it's food.
Ayun. Alala ko pag, masarap ang
I'm
ulam
cutting
namin.
it.
Pagka Sunday.
You have to try it. Try it. What is that, meat?
That's meat. It's a beef.
Oh.
Mommy has to cook it.
Try this. Try
No, that's
it.
an egg.
Huh?
I know what's taste. Uy. Didn't want to see you there. Okay, lutuin ko lang ito, guys. And napakita ko na lang sa inyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, Korean bibimbap. Pero for sure, alam niyo na to. You know? Shaved na na beef. Nabili ko sa Trader Joe's. Okay. Ayan, ito na yung pasta ng mga kids. And then yung kanilang sauce. And ito yung ating beef, guys. Tuin muna natin. Minarinate ko yan ng ano eh. Then yung kanilang broccoli, rice. Turn off, this one is ready. Let's get a bowl.
I want a dip. I want a dip.
You wanna dip? Okay. Ito mga bata, simple lang yung mga pagkain. Gusto nila. Plain pasta, tapos ididip lang nila yung sauce. But meron silang broccoli dito. Yung niluto kong broccoli para sa kanila yan. Tapos ito lang. Ito na aming, ito na yung kanilang ano. What's this? Dinner. Ayan. Ba? Simple lang. Bilis. Ate, oh. And then, yung kanilang broccoli. Laging may broccoli ito pag kumakain sila ng dinner. Nasanay na sila sa ano. Mga broccoli. It's good for you though. Broccoli is good for you. Yeah. All ready. All ready, guys. Yeah. There you go. Okay. Yan guys. Tinanggal ko na yung beef. And ito ay mushroom and garlic. Lutuin lang natin to, palambutin natin. Lagay tayo ng shredded na carrots. Oh, excuse me. Ilagay ko na to lahat. Bilis lang ito guys. There you go. And then maglalagay ako ng spinach. Lots of spinach. Tawag dito, pwede rin kayo maglagay ng baby bok choy dito. Tsaka yung sprouts. But I don't have that one for now. So, ito lang, spinach na lang. Ayan. Ito, liliit pa yan pagka, yung ating spinach ay naluto. Spinach is good for you, though. Okay, it's done guys. Pakita ko sa inyo, assemble tayo. Mag-plating tayo guys. Ito yung kay Mr. Rice. Rice is life. Just a little bit. Tapos, ito yung beef. Lagyan natin dito sa side. May flavor na to eh. And then, yung ating vegetables. Lagyan natin dito sa side. Dami. Tapos, ito yung kanyang cucumber. Ayaw niya ng egg eh. You want some egg, honey?
No.
Ayaw ng egg. So, yan lang. And then, drizzle natin ng ano ba itong sauce na to? I can't remember what it called. Pero ito, ginawa ko to, lang to, sesame oil, mirin, tapos yung sauce, little bit of sugar, and crushed, ano ba yun? Nilagay ko dyan. And then, ito naman yung sa akin. Right. Yun mo. Sa atin, mas marami ang rice. Mas marami talaga yung rice in. Tapos, yung ating meat. Ayan. What?
Why, Lily?
That one. Yeah, you can.
Just wear that curtain until you're finished eating. Like,
You can wear it.
I have stuff that's in the dryer. Like,
And then, ito yung aking cucumber. Ayan. Then yung ating egg. Lagay ko dito yung egg. Dalawang egg talaga. Because I love egg. Why not, right? And then, i-drizzle din natin ito ng sauce. So, yun ang ating beef bibimbap. Korean beef bibimbap. So, yan ang ating dinner, guys. Dami sa akin, no? Ito yung kay Mister. So, kain muna kami. And then, we'll see you guys again soon. Bye! Ayun, kain tayo, guys. Nauna na ako. Daddy, I'm hungry. So good. Try nyo to. Sesame seed pa yung lagay ko dito. Crushed sesame seeds. And yung pinag-marinate ko dito. Mirin, sesame oil, sesame seed, sugars, ano ba yan? Soy sauce, and what do you call that? Korean paste. Remember? Here, Sunny.
You're already eating yours.
I know.
That's cheating.
Yan. Kain tayo. Kain muna ako, guys.